Plugging, scaling, and pipeline velocity complications, all commonplace in traditional water and wastewater treatment systems. Merrick's high-density lime slurry systems solve those problems and more. Producing lime slurry with a stable suspension of more than 30% by weight, our exclusive technology uses less hydrated lime, makeup water, and power compared to traditional systems. Scale and settling is significantly minimized with Merrick's high-density lime slurry systems, reducing maintenance costs and downtime while improving water quality. Slurry batches are processed by weight to ensure a consistent and accurate slurry concentration. Merrick's high-density lime slurry systems are also able to pump at much longer distances than traditional systems, exceeding ranges of 500 feet. Lime is tested for ideal concentration and quality for each installation, making each of our systems optimized to get results. Dust and watertight construction results in a much cleaner workflow, reducing the need for maintenance procedures. Merrick's high-density lime slurry systems can be designed with 50-to-1 turndown ratios, using the same size piping systems and controls to provide flexibility for full capacity operation. Return loops are not needed, and pumping can be completely stopped anytime with no worry of slurry line blockages or needing to flush the system for up to 5 days. Merrick's high-density lime slurry systems have minimal scale or settling, improve water quality while using less resources, can pump at much longer distances than traditional systems, operate at a high turndown without a return loop, and can stop and restart operation without settling for up to 5 days. In business since 1908, we at Merrick understand the importance of water treatment done right. That's why we provide 24/7 support along with professional field service you can count on. Contact us today for the latest in dynamic weighing and water treatment solutions.